Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset all of your local group policy settings back to default on your Windows computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11 devices. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have 3 commands in the description of my video. Go ahead and copy the first one and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then you want to go paste it in. So let me just go ahead and do that once more. Appears it is not working off screen, but let me go ahead and just try one more time here. It looks like my machine is being difficult with me here, but we're going to just do Control V. So I just did Control V. You can go and right click on the top bar and then edit and then paste. Look at it now, it's working after I did Control V, but we're going to go ahead and paste in the second command now. I'm just going to do Control V because I'm kind of tired of trying it the other way. That doesn't seem to want to cooperate today. And then I'm going to do the third command. I'm going to hit enter. Should come back with updating policy. Give it a moment here. Should be a little blinking cursor. And if it worked, it should say computer policy update has completed successfully. User policy update has completed successfully. Now that we have a blinking cursor, we can go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.